God will continue to bless all of you. Ordinarily, I don't like things like this. But I said I will come. When I heard some people say I will not come here, I said I will come here. And I said this occasion will go on. Who them be? How many them dead? Now let me tell you something. The Calabari nation. Let me first of all recognize my dear younger ones, Dr. George Kelly, who's the Executive Secretary of the Border Nations Communities, and the DG, Energy and Security and Nurse Office, Honorable Flag Ojukaye, Amaki, and people like Dawari them, all of you. What you have done today is to tell the world all this noise in the radio is not the real thing. You are the Calabaris, you are of the Ijaw nation, and you are receiving me today. God will continue to bless you. I will continue to stand by you. I'll continue to support you wherever I wanted to support you. Let me say clearly, what I said on my interview, people will want to misinterpret. Whatever they want to misinterpret is their business. What I said is this, and I want to repeat it. We are all working together. If we don't work together, it will be difficult to produce a government. That's what I said.
Yes, sir. We know.
Where is Chief Federal? Where is he? Is he here? Where is Chief? Where is the Latin? Where is Chief Federal? Is here? Hold on. So you will know. This is the man. He never allowed me to rest. He nearly fainted when we were deciding who will become governor. Himself, Constitutional Kocha, Chief Sergeant Awuse, and this boy, Celeste Robeha.
Jesus.
When you are even 80 years, you don't behave like an elder. You behave like a boy.
Yes, sir.
Then they call you a boy.
Yes, sir, you're right.
So,
Boy.
now let me tell you, when we met, that day was the primaries. This governor today, he said he was not going to run. But my Commissioner of Finance, Isaac Kamalo, should be the one to run. At that point, I saw his face. He was gone. He was gone. Salat Nomeha said yes. It is Isaac Kamalo that this governor cannot carry out effectively the functions of the governor. OC Jokocha and Chief Awuse said, look, live and let live. Let us not do something and people will begin to say, one must be only one-sided. Let us give this boy to be. So what I meant was this. It was not because of the strength or power of Ijaw. It was because we say we are working together. Live and let live. That's it. So you cannot every time, and nobody should be associating anything evil to Ijaw. Ijaw people are not evil people. Ijaw people are not evil people. You cannot every time when something happens, the only thing you hear, you blow pipeline. No. No. You cannot even engage people intellectually. Yes. Engage people diplomatically. And you will get over you want to. Yes. All right, sir. But the world we are in today, we are at the stage of threat to anybody. I told you, the members of assembly will not lose their seats. Yes, sir. Have they lost their seats? No. I told you that shenanigan. They said they were doing local government election to not start. Is it there today? No. I don't need to be a governor. I don't need to. I know what's illegal is illegal. Yes, sir. In any fight, we fight it constitutionally. Yes. And by following due process. Rule of law is very important. Is key. What do we do wrong? We said, look, all these council chairmen suffered. All these assembly boys suffered. National Assembly members suffered for you to become governor. Therefore, don't abandon them. That's the only offense I committed. And then they say, every time I'm asking for money. Which money am I asking? Okay, thank you. Has the money come? No. Those whom they are sharing the money, half. So therefore, day your day. Nobody worry, nobody. There are so many things. But what I will always tell people, remember yesterday. Remember yesterday. A man is bad. A man is a crook. A man is a criminal. But it was that criminal, it was that crook who said, come. But against all. That's so sad. If I hate the job people, I would not have considered to it. And nothing would have happened. But because of my principle of live and let live. natural ingrate. Someone, nobody is not an ingrate with what is going on.
Yes.
Only ingrates, only those who believe that they cannot appreciate and thank God for any good thing to associate them with themselves.
People that have not won election.
All these things are seen. I told the governor, God get peacefully. Eat it peacefully. It is not good for you to face this crisis. But they told him, you are governor, you have money. I agree. Money is not everything. All these people, they have nothing to offer. Nothing. They have nothing. See where we are now. See where we are.
No, Alpha.
Mama, we don't follow the table. Mama, we don't follow the table. If you see my mama, I don't follow the table. If you see my mama, I don't follow the table. Mama, I don't follow the table. Mama, we don't follow the table. If you see my mama, I don't follow the table. If you see my mama, I don't follow the table. If you see my mama, I don't follow the table. Look at this one.
What does I want to do for this guy?
I sat down with Jonas Berger, signed an agreement. Judge Keller is here, Commissioner of Works. Said, Jonas Berger will be paying you 6 billion every month through our IGR. This road and the one from Ahuda to Amok. I was the one. I called him. See what we have done. We have paid for about 8 months. Continue. These are programs and projects that will sell you to the people of Rivers State. I called him, took him to Germany, sat down with Jonas Berger. Dr. Keller is alive. Chief Economy is alive. Chicken is alive. We met in Wiesbaden to draw up the ring road. I, in the political council meeting of Rivers State, I brought him to sit down in the executive meeting. This project must be done. Yes. Therefore, we will take money from Senate Bank. This is how much you'll be paying every month. This project will sell it to the people of Rivers. All these ones that are going about now were all initiatives. And I thought that we are working together. I have handed over this to you. Go ahead. Let them tell me what initiative they have put on ground.
Nothing.
Let them tell me one. It's not to abuse us. You can abuse me as much as you want.
God will punish you.
And let me tell you, I've never bothered myself. Abuse they kill anybody.
No.
You don't see who abuse don't kill. What is important is the result, isn't it?
Yeah.
Not now who get high blood pressure. Not them. We with the sit down, they enjoy, then they get high blood pressure. That's what I was avoiding. So look, don't go through this route. You want, they told you to seize assembly members, their salaries and allowances for more than 1 year. These people have no income to pay their children's school fees, to feed their family, and you are jubilating. You are jubilating. People were encouraging you. Nothing would happen. Nothing would happen. Something has happened. Something has what? Now let me tell you, I'm not going to stop assembly from performing their constitutional duty.
When the law speaks,
Assembly should be allowed to perform their constitutional duty. People who love peace don't threaten people. The more you threaten, the more you work. Assembly people do their work. Whatever they deem necessary and fit that is constitutional, they should do.
They should do
I'm
it
not going to
fast.
stop anybody from carrying out peace or powers. Mr. President invited all of us for peace. After that day, we the leaders sat, we told the assembly, go back and withdraw that impeachment notice since Mr. President has intervened for peace. Instead of them to do their own part, they instigated so many court actions, using it as an excuse. It's okay. It's okay. When they won the Court of Appeal, they were doing tasks. It was a lot. Now, judiciary was the last of them. Today, we won. They said we should not do Thanksgiving. Are they being fair? No. Judgment Day is coming. Judgment Day is coming.
Oko-Jumbo, yeah.
And Judgment Day has come. You know the man who is Judgment Day? What's the doctor is called Judgment Day? Because he said it. Judgment Day will come. And Judgment Day has come. Ordinarily, people like him, people like Osiji, people like Chief Sergeant Awusi, our senators, leaders, are those, if you want really to bring peace, are those they should go and talk to. Not talking to people who have caused more damage.
Failed politicians.
Who have gone on television to make noise to castigate us. Collect money, go on television. When you are finished talking, can you come to us again? You cannot. And you say people don't want peace. Who are you to bring peace?
Retired politicians.
When president intervened, people are Saraibe. They went to court, challenging Mr. President that he has no power. There's no constitutional. I was told Saraibe was a villa for president to intervene. You that went to court, the president has no power to settle. Now you have run back to the same. You must be consistent to your life. Politics comes with good and bad. When good comes, you job. When the bad comes, you face it. Nothing like please what. So we cannot, our efforts, our sweat, we cannot be pushed out. We cannot be pushed out. All of you suffered. And somebody will just come because they gave him power overnight. I say, get out. You can tell us, get out. And will you accept to get out? All those who said they will not serve master and son are the ones now watching on the road, opening door for the son. People who have no conscience at all.
No shame.
Those who wrote petition to EFCC against this governor, for him not to be a governor, are all the people who are saying they will decide. Decide for who? For us? For us? They're not yet born. I have defeated them before, and I'll continue to defeat them.
His name is Wike. His name is
So, for me, let me tell you, I have made it clear when anybody wants to hang himself, this state, I don't know who is anywhere, be anywhere, but let me tell you today is 15th of supporting President Ahmed Bola.
Change the mind.
Said one thing in the afternoon, I said another thing in the night. I don't do that. When I was governor, everybody knew my position. I never went to the filler in the night. I said my own clearly. Some people, when they have problem for TINUBU, in the night, they do a different thing. I will not do that. I will not do that. And heaven will not fall. Everybody who remembers you in the rainy season, you also remember him. Right? Assuming Mr. President did not give us this position we occupy. Assuming. We were hoping that we had a governor that would take care of our people. What would have happened today to us? What would have happened?
If I don't retire you.
So, will somebody come and preach the road?
Lie.
Tell us to somebody. No. No. So, let nobody deceive you
Why this guy?
that the governor is Ijaw. This one is not.
Which Ijaw?
All of you here are Ijaw, is it not? Are you benefiting?
No!
So what is this?
No Oko.
Politics is interest.
Yes, sir.
Is it not correct?
Correct.
If they were writing an exam, you wouldn't have carried it. So let nobody come and deceive you. When they go and collect money at the back, they tell you, let's go and do this. Action. That's what you collected last night. You didn't put my own there. You didn't put my own there. We must come up to say people must not behave and treat people, use people and dump them. And then you say it's politics. That politics has to stop. That politics of use and dump must go up. Stop. Enough is here. So, for what you've done today, I don't know how to thank you. You have shown capacity. You have shown your grant. God will continue to bless up you. Bless our leader. And all those who... Let me tell you this. started this problem. Let me tell you so you know. Balagogo, Secretary to Government. What they did,
They know what
he went and used the senior brother who the job.
Oh, that microphone.
Justice Balagogo sat down under expertise of said 27 members have defected. Expert, not on notice. Secretary to Government, Leo, his brother George, just to give expertise order that the government can present budget to 3-4 people.
Committee of Friends.
Justice Dalagogo, Secretary Dalagogo, the judge who gave the order, Dalagogo.
Dalagogo State.
Now, look at how people can destroy a state. That's the genesis of all this crisis. How a judge will sit down under expertise order and people have defected. Now you can present budget to 3-4 people. And still, he has the to remain. Look at what the Court of Appeal and the Supreme Court did to me. Look at that guy who wanted to be governor. He was so pained that he was not given. He followed the governor, and this governor does not know. This one, asking me, he will lead you to hellfire.
See how far you brought us. I'm so glad you found me, Lord. I can see, I can tell, and I know all my days, I will
Surrounded yourself with people who wanted to be governor. Whom I said no. This people don't mean well for River State. They are the ones surrounding you, giving you advice. What you think you will succeed? They will give you bad advice. See what the bad advice is doing to you. If you're already down, 2-0. 2-0.
Big God.
Roland Giseo, Papa Giseo, na wike.
I've never seen this kind of politics where you surround yourself with those who want your seat.
With failures.
I mean, will it work?
No.
Will it work?
No.
They come there, they abuse me, and you are happy. You don't know to see that they are destroying. So, Kalabara people, be assured, I'm with you. Call me anytime. I will be with you. You have shown support, and I will never abandon you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
And God bless all of you for making our time to be here today to make sure that this program is successful. Thank you and God bless you.
Palliative, sir.
The national anthem.
Natasha.
Take it easy, take it easy.